Hey, what the hell? I saw your comment. All right, you want to address this? You want to go down this route? Fine. Mr. Transparent here. What the fuck? I saw that comment. It's gone now. I couldn't find it. Maybe you deleted it. But you know what? In all fairness, totally right. So the comment was, how much did you actually make selling Kindle books versus selling your course? Hey, Einstein, think about it. Okay? Think about it. What's going to make you more money? Selling books or showing people how to make money? The latter. I made 10 grand off course sales and what I call my brand, the Ghostwriters brand. Brought in 10 grand. 2 grand came from ebooks. That was it. I am not gonna get rich selling ebooks or paperbacks or audiobooks. You guys know what I mean. I'm a marketer. I'm in sales. I'm not doing this for Kindle publishing. I'm doing this because I love helping people create income, take back their freedom, and design their lifestyle. The only way I'm gonna do that is by showing them, teaching them, selling them a course or courses or programs or products that show them how to do it. Of course, it's all stuff I've done myself, and you can see every single week I continue to do it. I continue to publish books. Had 2 books go up today, had 2 go up yesterday. We got some bundles that we'll be publishing next week, but let's not think we're fooling anybody. The majority of my income will always come from selling courses. That's how I set up my business model. That's how all of these super successful people online set their business model up. Albeit some of them, you know, like my buddy Russ, he is not a fan of courses, doesn't really like the whole being in the spotlight. That's why he hasn't done much on his channel. He just likes making his money from publishing. That's it. Doesn't want to do the coaching thing. Me, I need people. Selling stuff on Amazon day in and day out without the human interaction, without the coaching calls with all of you amazing, wonderful people that inspire me and light a fire in me like you have no idea, I would just die without that. I need that. I'm going to charge for it because I'm not an idiot and I'm got mouths to feed and a life to live, and I'd like to say that the info that I bring to people is valuable. So I charge for it, and as I get better, I charge more and more and more and more for it, thus meaning my income keeps growing. But in order to increase my income, I have to keep helping people increase theirs first. Take Ollie, for example. Ollie made more than me last month from only publishing books. I sell a course, and he made more from just publishing books. But guess what? He learned how to publish books through my course. So when I see comments like, oh, well, this guy, he's only selling courses, he doesn't actually, well, no, I actually do publish books because that helps ensure that my self-publishing blueprint is the #1 and most updated Kindle publishing course on the market, hands down, period, end of discussion, because I'm still actively publishing books. Now, why does my income not matter anymore? Because who gives a fuck about how much I make from publishing books? The only thing people want to know is, hey, does this guy's program actually work? Is there other people who have had success with his program? That's the only thing that matters. Whether it's my stuff or anyone else's that you follow, the only thing matters is not their income. Fuck their income. People who have taken their program, have they been able to replicate or, I guess, duplicate, or just get better results than them themselves? That is the only thing that ever matters. That's why I put up student interviews, right? Living proof. Do you have any idea how many of my students know so much more about the whole publishing game than I do? Why do you think I sit down with Ollie all the time and do interviews? So I can learn more. Right? I'm constantly going to him, Ollie, help me with my description. Ollie, what do you think about this title? Ollie, I need this. Ollie, what do you think? Right? Because he's so much better at that stuff than me. Right? But when it comes to marketing and that type of deal, or, you know, that's where they come to me for. So don't ever try to think, oh, well, he's just slinging a course to make all this money. Well, one, no shit, right? It's a higher ticket item. I'm always going to make more money teaching somebody how to do something than doing it yourself. So that's just how business and economics work. Okay, that will never change, just like 2 + 2 is 4. Okay? But I stay relevant because I keep publishing books every single month. But I don't want to focus on publishing books. I don't need my publishing income to be 7, 8, 9, 10 grand. What do I need that for? Why would I want to invest in that when I'm focused on the bigger picture, growing my brand, growing my personal brand, coming out with better products to serve more people? That is what I'm passionate about. And that will always pay me more than anything else I'm going to be doing.